Here's how to deploy Google AI Studio app to Vercel. On your Google AI Studio, go ahead and go to the upper left and click on the Save to GitHub options. Once you click on the Save to GitHub options, you will see there the timer app Gemini. Now put it under the repository name and put it as well to the repository description. Once you have already do that, go to the visibility options and it's up to you if you are going to access it privately or you want it to be accessed publicly. After setting up the visibility, you will be redirected on the page where you will see the Create Git repo. It is actually located at the lower right under the visibility. Now what you need to do is to press on that. After pressing on that, you have now successfully put on the Google AI Studio app to Vercel. Fast, easy, and without complications when you do the step-by-step of its own.